At secondary school, students have a lot of subjects to study. A Russian boy, Denise, is new to school too, just like Tom in Great Britain. Denise wants to learn about new subjects. What subjects do you study at school?
Oh, lots of them. But my favorite is art. We usually draw or paint in the lesson.
Do you like maths?
Oh no, I don't like to study numbers account. It's so boring.
What about history? I think it's nice to learn about the past.
Yes, it is. I also like geography because we use maps and atlases.
Do you have IT?
Yes, we do. We have got many computers and a science lab.
Okay. Do you have a gym for PE lessons?
Of course we do. Dan, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. Let's repeat some useful words now. These are school subjects: maths, English, art, music, science, history, IT, geography, PE. Remember, when writing school subjects, you must start with capital letters. Use capital letters after full stops, in people's names, the pronoun I, countries, months, and in days of the week. For example, this is Martin. He is new to the school. I like PE. I am from Russia. My birthday is in June. We have maths on Fridays. Are these rules the same in your language? No, they are not. In Russian, we use capital letters to start words after full stops, and for names and countries, but we shouldn't capitalize days of the week, school subjects, months, or the pronoun I. At school, you often fill in forms with facts about yourself. In forms like that, you should give short answers. Usually, you are asked to answer these questions. What is your name? What class are you in? What school are you in? What subjects do you choose? To fill in the form, you must write only facts. Denise is new to the school. That's why the teacher asked him to fill in the form. Let's help Denise do it. What is your name? Denise Lomov. What class are you in? 5B. What school are you in? Secondary school. What subjects do you choose? History and English. Now it's time for us to practice writing capitalized words and answering these questions. Let's go.